Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect to VPN on Vivo Y29. If you're using Vivo Y29 and now you want to connect with any VPN, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings and just look for more connections and you will get VPN here. Just tap on it and here you can get all of your VPN you have. I have already installed one. You can easily add randomly from here, but if you won't have any VPN you can install a third-party application from Play Store. Open Play Store and go to search, and here just search for VPN and you will get a list of different VPNs. You just have to install one of them, as I have already installed this one. Just install the VPN, then open the settings, select the VPN, and your VPN will be opened. Here you just have to wait for it to opening, and after VPN you open, you just have to tap on connect and it will be connected to your device. In this way you can easily connect for VPN. Here's the VPN icon in the top of the status bar. If you want to disconnect, just tap here and select open VPN settings. It will open your phone settings. Just tap on it and then select disconnect. In this way you can easily connect or disconnect your VPN on Vivo Y29. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.